India launches Renault 14 series with 3.5x telephoto camera, wireless charging, India first MediaTek Dimensity 8450, and much more. The Renault 14 series comes with dedicated lossless 3.5x telephoto zoom for enhanced portraits. The Renault 14 series has an ultra-durable aerospace-grade body with up to IP66, IP68 and IP69 certifications. The Renault 4 Pro is the first phone in the world powered by the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset. Oppo Pad-Se also debuts alongside Renault 14 series. Oppo India has launched the Renault 14 series, delivering a complete smartphone experience for users who demand performance, power, and precision in every feature. With the Renault 14 and Renault 14 Pro, Oppo transforms how users capture, edit, and share their lives. These smartphones integrate lossless 3.5x optical zoom plus up to 120x digital zoom, advanced editing tools, and water-resistant durability into a powerful all-rounder that adapts to every lifestyle. At the same time, the Renault 14 series pushes boundaries by packing the largest number of imaging and productivity features in its segment, making the Renault 14 series true value for money. Customers can get the Renault 14 series starting at 234,200 as the net effective price during the first sales period. Oppo Renault 14 Pro. Unrivaled durability, premium craftsmanship. Oppo has built the Renault 14 series to outperform and outlast. Both models feature aerospace-grade aluminum frames, making them among the very few smartphones in their category to offer a premium metal build, while others rely on plastic bodies. This metal body with the one-piece sculpted glass enhances in-hand feel and significantly improves strength and longevity. Oppo augments durability with Corning registered trademark symbol, Gorilla registered trademark symbol, Glass 7i and IP66, IP68 and IP69 certifications, ensuring protection against dust, immersion, and high-pressure hot water up to 80 degrees Celsius. Even the USB port comes with a platinum coating for added resistance against corrosion and moisture. The company's sponge bionic cushioning design mimics the structure of natural sea sponges to shield internal components from drops and shocks, delivering class-leading impact protection. The devices also feature a luminous, multi-layer iridescent finish created through a 12-layer precision coating process that reflects light dynamically, evoking the subtle glow of changing landscapes. The Renault 14 Pro is available in pearl white with velvet glass and titanium grey with a reflective matte finish. Renault 14 comes in pearl white and forest green with a luminous loop deco. Immersive displays, ultra-slim design. Both models feature glow-friendly, ultra-slim bezel 120Hz LTPS AMOLED displays that deliver peak brightness of 1200 nits.
Hello, my name is Upasana and I'm here for the briefing session of Renault 14 series from Oppo, which just got launched on 3rd of July. So Renault 14 series is the next AI portrait camera that you will have. It has amazing features like 50MP telephoto camera 3.5x. It has 4K HDR 60 FPS in both front and rear camera, and some amazing AI features this time like AI Editor 2.0, under which you can find many upgraded and industry best AI features. So it's coming in, Renault 14 is coming in 3 memory variants, 8 12 to 56 and 12 starting from 37,999. So I hope this phone is going to be the next AI portrait camera that you can have on your hands, right? Thank you.
So what is the unique features in this?
So there are many unique features, especially from the camera point of view. So we have a 50MP 50 quad camera, so 50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto camera, 50MP wide angle camera and 50MP front camera in Renault 14 Pro, and a 8MP wide angle camera in Renault 14. a 4K HDR video with 60 FPS in both front and rear camera. That is really amazing for all the content creators and bloggers out there.
Battery life. What is the battery life?
The battery life, well, it has a 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt superbook charging.
Thank you.